everybody, welcome back to my channel. So recently, Sarah Elston just pranked me and I'm pissed. I have currently moved, sides of bedrooms technically, and if I'm able to do a room tour, I will. But for right now, I'm kind of getting tired of my swamp den, and I'm really needing a new one. So now that I got enough sapphires to buy a bundle, never mind, I have 0 sapphires to buy a bundle. I need 54 sapphires to buy that bundle. I'll show you which bundle I want to get. Like, really, really, really bad. Seriously? I need to call AJ for them to get this fixed. Yeah, I need 50 more. Well, that's a bust. Literally. This video has gone to crap. Well, if you didn't already see, I have a cute raccoon. So that's what I'm going to be doing this episode, is adoring my raccoon. I want to get this saber-tooth really bad. I meant, not saber-tooth, direwolf. So cute. Hurry before it fills up. Okay, well, no. Oh, look, a lion. So beautiful and majestic. And other stuff. So, my brother saw my Komodo dragon and looked through my den items and created a look. I changed it already, but yeah, he had some fun with the Komodo dragon. So yes, that is pretty interesting, I must say. I was going to get a panda today, but I don't want to get a panda. No, I don't want a panda. I mean, I'd love to go to the panda hideout. I'm just not sure whether to get a polar bear or a panda. Oh great, someone's trying to trade me. I have all of those. See, I can't really decide to get a panda. I think I might get a panda. I'm not sure. Or a saber-tooth. I don't know. I want this cougar because the cougar looks cute. Yay, cougar. Looks like a cat. You know what does look like a cat? The lemur. The lemur looks like a cat. See, I mean, does this not look like a cat? Yeah, it's a cat. Guys, this is a cat. Panda. So, I'm not sure whether to get a panda, a polar bear, or a saber, or a cougar. I need some advice. Please let me know in the comment section. But what I do know is that I want to finish getting my royal gold set, because then I will finally have 10 complete sets. So I have the tail and the gauntlets. That's all I have. Honestly, I need more. So I need 2 more things. I tried to buy the most expensive ones yesterday, but I did not. It looks so beautiful. There, now I have 10 complete sets. Oh my gosh, it looks like a royal person. A royal, person. I know Sarah Elston had the... Sarah Elston's never in her snow leopard anymore because it was her very first animal she ever bought. Which is sad because she's never in it anymore. Here are the galaxy wings. No, that's not it. Ooh, the sword looks cool there. But no, we need the galaxy wings. Galaxy wings only. And we're gonna put a cookie on her head. Oh, that's cute, but we're not going for winter, now are we? No, we are galaxy peeps. Now, I can't decide about the hair. I want it to be some type of blue color, but like a cool blue color. Yeah, like that, but not that. Like a purplish blue. Yes, that! That's the color I'm exactly looking for. This is the color, peeps, of my galaxy horse. Oh, look at me. I am beautiful. I love it. Time to go to horse heaven, or... yeah, that's what it's called, is horse heaven. I don't know why, but they're calling it that. Climb up some vines, because that's a totally normal thing horses do. And we're going down a rainbow. Wait, I have a perfect idea for this. Most of you guys won't know this meme, but I do. And this meme is amazing. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. I am a very, very, very cheesy person. No one will ever understand my differentness. No one will understand how difficult it is to be a meme master. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm saying something. Oh, whoa, the armor looks cool there. Okay, this is perfect. Yep, I love it. Now that we've got that out of the way, the spikes on the horses look amazing, by the way. Just letting you know, guys. But some of you may have horses. Now, we are in the raccoon hideout. And then there's frogs watching us at our every move. Yeah, because that's a totally normal thing frogs do. I hate that their eyes follow us. You know? Whee! Okay, I'm done. Okay. So, here's our little thing right here. That's our store, which I absolutely love. I like how they walk. They're like da 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 da. And the only reason I actually made this video is just to show off my two beautiful animals, antitimals. Yes, we have antitimals down here. So guys, I think that's it for this video. Please let Sarah Elston be on. Never. She's never on. Ever. Literally. Anyway, that's all for this video. I have to say something before I go. Good. Bye.